Hey, g'day there, it's Craig from KickAss, and look at this absolute ripper. It's our brand new 2300 watt dual zone induction cooktop with 11 level power control. Let's check it out. You heard that right, we have a combined 11 level power control. That's right, ours goes to 11. Most cooktops only go to 10. Ours is one more, and that gives you that extra push off the cliff. You absolute beauty. Now, our 2300 watt dual zone induction cooktop would have to be the absolute ultimate in flame-free cooking. So get ready to get rid of your gas. Do you have gas problems? Sick of carrying these things around, running out all the time? Trying to fire these up? No go? What about always having an empty gas bottle? Well, we've taken care of that. Now, not only does this look so cool with its solid glass ceramic cooking surfaces, but check this out, it's also only 4 centimetres thick, so you know it's going to be easy to pack away or even build into permanent setups. How cool is that? And let's check out the rear. Look at that, we have twin cooling fans to keep your cooker nice and cool, and we also have these awesome little rubber non-slip feet. You beauty. Simple, easy cooking. There's no mucking around with this beast, and you can get straight into it with its simple touch controls. That's right. So you can cook with one or you can cook with two. You ripper. If you're confused or not sure about what sort of cookware you can use on induction cooking, grab yourself a fridge magnet. If it sticks to the pan, you can use it on induction. First off, I'm going to cook up some bacon and eggs for you and show you how it works, and I reckon by the time we're done, it's all going to be ready. Let's start. We'll grab our silicone mat. Now, the beauty about these come with the unit, and what will happen, if you didn't have these, your cookware can just fall off, and we've taken care of that. So I'll whack that on there. I'll whack that one on there. Check that out. Alrighty, so next up, we've got to press the button for on and off. It doesn't get much easier than that. So next up, we're going to set our temperature. Now, the ripper about this is we can go all the way from 60 and flat knacker at 240 degrees. So it goes in 20-degree steps. Now, with our unit, you can cook perfectly at lower temperatures. With a lot of induction cooktops on the market, they have what's called pulse width modulation, and they really can't cook at nice slow speeds. Basically, what they're doing is they're turning the power on and off. But with ours, we can lower the magnetic induction, and that way we can cook really nice, slow, simmering meals at a perfectly controlled temperature. How cool is that? Okay, so let's set the temperature. Go from 60 all the way up to 240. So I'm going to go flat knacker. Here we go. Alrighty, there's our eggs. Let's whack on my favourite, the bacon. Listen to that. We're cooking already. So next up is our power level. And as you can see here, the default setting is 800 watts. Now, the beauty about this is if you're running smaller inverters, that way it's not going to peak it out. But I'm going to put this up on flat knacker for a sec. So we've got 1,000 watts on the left-hand unit. And I'm going to go all the way up to the 1,300 watts on the right-hand unit. You ripper. Okay, so we also have your timer. So if you actually want to set your time for a certain amount of cook time, you can do that as well, which is an absolute beauty. And we also have built-in safety features. So it'll also have automatic cookware detection, safety shut-off, and a child lock to boot. You beauty. So as you can see here, we're almost done. And we also have this awesome long durable rubber power cord, which is an absolute cracker. Well, I reckon we're just about done. Check that out, we've got our eggs and bacon all done by the time it took to do this little video. So once your unit's cooled down, remove your silicone anti-slip mats, grab yourself a cloth, and being ceramic glass, it's a nice, easy, quick wipe down and you're done. Check that out. So there you have it, the KickAss 2300 watt dual zone induction cooktop with 11 level power controls. Don't forget it comes with the bag, the silicone non-slip mats. Head online or head in store today.